Cette année, on a pu organiser le Carambole Spirit Tour 2014 grâce à plein de sponsors. C'est une partie de plaisir, c'est une partie d'échange culturel. C'est aussi pour ça que tout est gratuit et je dis encore merci à tous nos sponsors.
Carambole Spirit Tour est avant tout un tour de partage.
C'est l'esprit du voyage, l'esprit de la rencontre des gens. On a choisi de faire venir un groupe qui s'appelle The Rivertones, un groupe de Cape Town en Afrique du Sud. On a décidé aussi d'intégrer autour de ça Isaac qui est un artiste graphiste, peintre, etc.
La musique des Rivertones, bien entendu, c'est du reggae. Ils jouent du Bob Marley et ils ont également leurs chansons. Le reggae est une musique universelle d'amour, mais qui parle aussi de problèmes liés au pays du tiers-monde.
We have the circus activity, we have slam and music, painting and dance. But we are not a school here, it's just a support.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But the education they're getting somewhere else.
Yeah, they go to the public school and we pay everything, of course, because the family cannot afford this.
Yeah, sure. I have a little reggae song, maybe I want to sing for them. It's a brother from South Africa. But it says, give a little love to the children. Because that's basically all children need, you know, nutrition, love and education.
Exactly.
Open your heart for these children. Give a little love for the children.
Le même mouvement avec les mains, tu fais la même chose avec les mains, mais ton pied qui va 2 fois sur la grosse caisse.
On a travaillé donc sur 8 concerts. Donc l'axe conducteur c'est la RN7 avec des villes étapes.
Yes, people. We're jamming, jamming, lily, my Lord. We're jamming, right straight from you. Say, Holy Mount Zion, Holy Mount Zion, just seated in Mount Zion, and rule all creation, Yahweh. We're jamming,
Yeah, I think stay here for one day, just to see.
Of course, my daughter's terrible for that.
Yeah, parce qu'en fait, il veut pas. Thank you.
Zale mizale. Zalo. Ti ora lan ti hane. Ina ro para gosta. Ro kila lao.
Io zany ty fomba raha toy fa henany akeo tsy misy afo. Oh, they make big knife. So what is that for the wind to keep the fire burning?
Right about now, so we'd like to share with you some of the rhythms that come from South Africa. We're going to try get out of the reggae groove and play for you some of the African vibes. Reggae style. Yeah man, so we take it back to where we started off. So mothers and fathers of Tulia, you probably have more to do with what happens with this little boy's life. Inspire these children for goodness, for abundant life. You don't know the potential this little man has. There's the president of Madagascar right there. Bonjour, Mr. President. You're feeling well, Mr. President? Yeah, man. Right there. Hope you understood what I'm trying to say. I don't know. I'm not the greatest at English.
I'm staying in South Africa, but I've never heard Madagascar music. So when I come here, it was something new.
Bezakani chana di mefizan fanirin. Bezakani chana di mefizan fanirin. Yes, sir.
But I wish for my brothers who are left back at home to also hear this beautiful music which is here. Like, okay, I wish if my friend was here, sing this music with me.
There's a nice productivity, there's a nice energy. Like if you go to Tulia, you see there's a lady selling the mangoes on the side of the street. So there's a very good energy.
Alors, ces cinéma tropique, ça a été toujours le cinéma tropique. Et ça date des années 30, ça c'est l'histoire des cinémas de Madagascar. Alors, depuis les années 70, les cinémas ont été fermés à Madagascar, par des raisons politiques. Et puis nous, on a repris le cinéma tropique, et il y a exactement 15 ans. Alors, ce cinéma aujourd'hui est devenu un centre d'art et de musique. Aujourd'hui, on est 700 élèves dans ces centres art et musique. Tous ces enfants ont un impératif, c'est qu'ils doivent être scolarisés. Et s'ils ne sont pas scolarisés, nous, Bel Avenir, on les scolarise. Et on fait un suivi très personnalisé de chaque enfant, de chaque jeune. Alors c'est important de dire qu'on a beaucoup de groupes féminins parce qu'on lutte contre un fléau qui est très important au sud de Madagascar, c'est la grossesse précoce. Et nous, on essaie de leur donner un loisir, un savoir-faire, une éducation parallèle à l'école. Et voilà, et les filles sont épanouies et adhèrent énormément.
So amazing to see someone, grow up on the streets, and now today the NGOs have helped that child to get educated, also get some art and music and culture. It's so beautiful, and they were jamming with us, they were singing along with us. It was so nice. Stand up for your human rights, please. Get up, stand up. Don't give up your fight. Preacher man, don't tell lie. Heaven is under the earth. I know you don't know what life is really worth. Yes, not all that glitters is gold. Half my story has never been told. Now we see the light. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up.
You want to show them in a small thing. The journey is much more than that.
You share a good message tonight.
But also it's very difficult because of the language,
Even people understand everything.
Yeah, let me get the eyes email or something. Then
yes.
we just because they want,
Des fois, on dit que c'est un métier de branleur et de frimeur et de mecs qui fument de la drogue. Et... c'est pas très bien vu d'être peintre au fait ici à Madagascar. Ce qu'on a oublié au fait à Madagascar, c'est de rêver. On n'incite plus la jeunesse à rêver au fait. On incite les gens à gagner de l'argent. On dit oui, et ça bloque les gamins. Et on se refuse de voir ailleurs, on se refuse de voir des choses, des perspectives qui sont à portée de main. On se dit que non, c'est pas possible. Mais moi, ce que j'ai envie de dire, c'est que voilà, si tu as un projet en tête et que tu y crois, mis à part avoir le bureau, et avoir des grosses voitures et avoir la grosse villa, ben fais-le.
Nature, I'm so very blessed to be the way I am. I always feel like one of the most happiest men because I'm not very materialistic person, and I live a very simple life. I'm born in the city, but when I was in the tender age of 8 years, I asked my mother to take me to the rural areas where my father was. Since then, I just realized that it is a best life than the life I live in the city of Cape Town. The air they breathe is cleaner, there's less noise of this machinery, and there is just space to think. Because, you know, if in life you've got enough space like this, you get more creative. You've got a space to exercise your ideas. You've got a space to connect to my creator, to my talent, my gift, the music, and myself. So everything just go hand to hand.
Matungara manawanini. Ambarambarawane.
On a eu quelques couacs pendant la tournée, notamment à Ranouir où effectivement on n'avait pas d'électricité. Il y avait ce qu'on appelle ici un délestage. On le voit actuellement à Madagascar, c'est que l'énergie est un gros problème parce que même dans la capitale, Antananarivo, on a encore des délestages qui nuisent à l'économie locale, mais aussi à la survie locale de chacun.
C'est comment ça marche. Ça marche tout ça.
Le maire m'a dit qu'il allait démarrer le groupe de la Girama. Donc c'est bon.
Lui, le technicien du Girama.
On est venu à la Girama à 14h30. On a dit qu'on a besoin de Giro pour jouer. Et depuis 17h, on attend.
Mais là,
il y a du courant là. Donc il faut essayer de se brancher. D'accord.
It's the season to love one another, and there's no reason to hate each other. Come down, yes I. So we've been having some many technical complications, but we're here to give you the reggae music, yes? Yeah man, let me tell you what we love to see, what we love to see. And I'm sure you have the same vision. It don't mean that I'm any better, any lesser than you. Are you not any lesser, any better than...
J'étais surpris vraiment de la patience du groupe, quoi, parce que c'est quand même un groupe qui tourne dans tous les plus grands festivals de reggae dans le monde, mais donc ils arrivent ici, c'est un peu le bordel.
Madagascar, the local, whatever you call it, municipality. If they're hearing me here tonight, come on, these are basic things that people need, man. These are basic things. Electricity, water is a basic thing. Give that to the people, please.
So we have a little something for you. Yes, this one's for the people of Madagascar. We hope you're gonna sing it with me, yes? Sing it like this. Mitangana Yanao Madagascar Handao. You gonna sing it for me?
J'ai un ami qui m'a fait cette remarque, et elle n'est pas si fausse. Roland est un prêcheur. On l'a bien vu, Roland est quelqu'un qui est obligé d'intervenir sur scène, de dire ce qu'il pense de ce qu'il voit. Et c'est ça qui nous a plu, c'est de dire les choses au public quand il fallait le dire.
Yes, guys. Thanks a lot to transmit us such a beautiful message. So we hope to meet you again next time. Thanks a lot.
What's that?
Wedges and vegetables and chicken meat and
Zebu is cow, né?
Yeah.
Cow, beef.
Yeah.
So Zebu is Malagasy or French?
French.
In Madagascar is what?
Umbi.
Umbi.
Ngombe.
In what?
Gombe.
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 In my language, it's
Ngara.
Gombe.
Oh.
Gombe. Gombe. Mombe.
Umbi.
Umbi. It's more like the same. Yes. Yesterday we went to the Lemur Park.
Oh, how was it?
It was the best
Did you
thing
meet
ever.
lemurs?
Yes. King Julian.
Cheers.
Yeah.
If you can give me that. If you can give me that. Ooh.
Do you have hip hop music here?
When you put this sound in a concert, people going crazy.
Okay. It's like a hit.
Chimoko changu geti, misi you very jetty. Wakamira spaghetti, wakapeka spaghetti. Chimoko changu geti, misi you very jetty. Wakamira spaghetti, wakapeka spaghetti. Do what you do, uchiita zono ita. Ini ndakamira nchikutari saur makona. You end up to get it, chimomira zebu.
Nous sommes vraiment très contents et reconnaissants de l'accueil. Et aujourd'hui, nous voici, on est encore là pour le dernier concert ici à Kudeta au restaurant.
Clothing and shelter, yes, these children of Madagascar, from Tana to Tulia, yes, these children of Madagascar. You know what's really fucked up? What's really fucked up and bad? Sorry to swear so much, my little kids. I don't mean to do that. But, you know, mothers send their kids out to beg for money in the streets. I don't understand. It's so fucked up because, you know, there are so many NGOs right here in Tana that are so willing to take your kids from the streets and get them educated. I think I'm right, Vincent, yes? Some of the NGOs told me if I show them the kids, they go fetch them. So those kids, you mothers that send your kids out beg in the street, 10,000 Ariari. Fuck. You know, we have a saying in Africa, if you give a man a fish, he's got fish only for this day. But you teach the man to fish, he got fish for the rest of his life. Yes? Don't worry about these material things. Every little it's gonna be alright. Don't worry. Rise up this morning.
Sharing the stage with the great musicians was one of the great things because, you know, we cannot speak the same language, but when it comes to stage, you become one person, you speak the same language on stage with the instruments.
This is my message to you.
Nafinaritra ny fiarahana ary nafinaritra koa le fifandraisana sy le fifampiantsoana tsy hisy akambahamba amin'ny sampanakalo avy amina firenena hafa.
Lay tsara tsy hitako zao sy tenena hoe tena manao mozika ry zalahy, tena manao mozika, tena milamo.
your body, wind 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 your hold your fire, sister. So she called me up this morning. She called me up, and this is what she has to say. She said she love Rasta man, me the holy fire. Put pen to paper, write love letter. Love session, I'm on a burn fire. Give me heart, me give me soul fire. Oh yo, oh yo yo yo.
On a parcouru 2000 km. On est fatigué en fin du tour, mais on a vraiment l'impression d'avoir réalisé quelque chose et ça c'est super.
Le monde n'est tel que la vie en rose, monde en bois de rose. Monde de l'homme viril, qu'un bon en remène habile. Dans quel monde sommes-nous?
Moi je retiens un merveilleux moment de partage. Ça a été une expérience humaine incroyable.
C'est magique.
Thanks God for being here.
We would love to come back again to Madagascar. This must not be the last time.
We came here like an empty vessel, you know, like a big empty pot. And Madagascar has been so amazing to fill us up with the culture and, you know, the beautiful spirit that people have.
J'aimerais que l'État malgache s'implique un peu plus, on va dire, dans la culture à Madagascar.
Bag lady, you don't hurt your back.